steak ends. That summer spring collection just got back, you're still on the same trends. I'm the same kid with the same friends, posted up in the same ends, riding round in that A-Benz. I've got BBS, you got fake gems, like a beer feel like a rhino. Smoked out, no pyro, keep a mask up on me face, kid, and it's all black.
Yo, what's up guys, how's it going? Me with another Bloodstrike video. So as you'll know, I was playing like Bloodstrike in 2025, but then I quit. So we're going to quit Korem this time because it's cut now. So I'm going to play Bloodstrike again. Let me just check random map, Shutter Island, not Skyline Beach, please. Damn. Shutter Island, there we go. Yeah, see you all in the lobby.
Platinum for the best audio experience on Spotify.
Music off and look the freak in. Why the f is my mic on? I put it off, didn't I? Okay, now it's off, And you'll already know I always land port because the most money is there and I can keep my loadouts fast. Next match I will try to land what's it called, prison. So yeah. What the hell? Hey, give me that gully. Gold. You see, I already have like what's. Let me check. Hey, give me the P90. How much money do I have? I have 1,500 already. Like, look, this is the strat group. 2,000. My P90 back. 6,000 already. 8,000. Look. This is very good. But I always go for like 15,000. You will see why in a second. Yeah, 12,000 already. And the match just started. Like what? Where's that mission on? Okay, and immerse large. Oh shit, there's a guy. Yeah, this loadout that I made is very cock. Yeah, this ain't a very good one. Yeah, I might just umbrella. Ooh, gold. Okay. Open. There we go. Yeah, I need a better UMP loadout to be honest. Where's this shots coming from, bro? Oh shit. Can I get up? Yeah, okay. I see him there, I see him there. Oh, it's this guy again. You will see how shit my aim is. Okay, I need to start going in. So, wait, am I start? I got like $6,000-7,000. Hello, 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 hello. Let me buy something. Maybe boat and balloon. I don't have enough money. Okay, someone is up in front. W. Camera muzzle jab. Thank you. Okay, I saw another 2 person on the map like above here, so I need to watch out. So yeah. Now somebody is behind me. Oh, he's above me. Yeah, but the reason I'm killing like everybody, I'm shit, but this is like a gold lobby, so yeah. Now you how? Who's shooting at me? Bang 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 bang. Oh, I already have the max shield or whatever they call it, even whatever they call it. But you'll legit need to try my AK loadout. This thing is so good. By the way, if you all are asking why I'm using the AK-47, is because like when I was playing Bloodstrike every day before I quit it, I was on the leaderboard, I think number 10 or something like that. I can't remember, maybe top 100, I can't remember. In Gauteng I have like this in on the leaderboard top 100 in Gauteng, so I was really good before I quit. But the reason I quit is because I lost my account. This account I just like rounded it off. So I can make this vid and make videos because it's my dream to become a content creator. So yeah. Yeah, below me. You! I'm low. Oh, that's close. You! Jeez. Damn. No, where's that altar going? Oh, up! I'm sorry. Below me. GG's! Yeah, W, bro. You see how easy it is in gold lobbies? Yeah, bro. You see that easy? Woof. But yeah. If you all want to play with me, please. I need somebody to carry me. I'm fucking ass, and yeah, please. But this is where I'm going to stop the video. I don't have all day. I'm going to do something right now. So yeah, tune in for the next video. Bye, love you guys.